Hi, hello, good evening. The next chapter, fifth chapter, arithmetic progressions. In arithmetic progressions, mainly, what is the general AP? General arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. This is the general AP. Here, A is called first term. And D is called common difference. D is called common difference. A is called first term. And nth term or general term is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is nth term. And sum of n terms, the next formula, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms in AP, we denote Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you know the last term, we can also write Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. An is the last term. Last term or nth term. Last term or nth term. So these are the formulas you have to remember in arithmetic progression and solve the problem.